Lemon porridge. A side dish from Burkina Faso. Serves 4. You will need 4 ingredients. Step 1. Gradually blend flour with cold water, mixing well to avoid lumps. Step 2. Add the lemon juice and let the batter stand for 15 minutes. Step 3. Bring 1 cup water to boil in a large saucepan, gradually pour in your millet batter, stirring with a wooden spoon until it's smooth. Reduce heat and cook, stirring, until porridge bubbles thickly. Step 4. This is traditionally meant to be porridge into a mold or bowl and takes the place of utensils about 30 minutes. Like the crust on a pizza, you take a bit of stiff porridge in your right hand and wrap it around a bit of stew, so it should be stiff, not porridge like oatmeal, but more like hot, somewhat moist bread and serve with stew. Keep cooking and stirring after the bubbles start to form for about 5 minutes, until it's thick, glossy, and smooth. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.